Here is our list of the top 5 best Canon cameras you can get right now. The Canon R6 Mark II is a high-performance full-frame mirrorless camera designed for enthusiasts and professionals. It features a 3.69 million dots OLED electronic viewfinder, a 24.2 megapixel sensor with DigicX processing, delivering excellent image quality, low light performance, and fast operation. The dual-pixel CMOS autofocus 2 system offers accurate subject tracking, while the 40 frames per second electronic shutter ensures speed for action shots. 6K oversampled 4K video and HDR PQ recording enhance video quality with unlimited recording time. In-body image stabilization up to 8 stops, a vari-angle touchscreen, dual UHS-2 SD card slots, and Wi-Fi Bluetooth connectivity add versatility. Its durable weather-sealed body makes it ideal for sports, wildlife, and event photography. The Canon R7 is a high-performance APS-C mirrorless camera designed for wildlife, sports, and action photography. It features a 32.5 megapixel sensor with a 1.6 times crop factor, offering extended lens reach and excellent image quality. The DigicX processor enables 30 frames per second electronic shutter shooting, and dual-pixel CMOS autofocus 2 ensures precise subject tracking. 5-axis in-body image stabilization provides up to 8 stops of stabilization. The camera supports 4K at 60p video, dual UHS-2 SD card slots, weather sealing, a 2.36 million dots OLED electronic viewfinder, a vari-angle touchscreen, and Wi-Fi Bluetooth connectivity, making it a powerful yet compact choice for professionals and enthusiasts alike. The Canon R50 is a compact and lightweight mirrorless camera, ideal for beginners, vloggers, and content creators looking for an upgrade from smartphones. It features a 2.36 million dots OLED electronic viewfinder, a 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor, and DigicX processor, ensuring high-resolution images, fast autofocus, and smooth video. The dual-pixel CMOS autofocus 2 system offers subject tracking for people, animals, and vehicles. It supports 4K at 30p video, 15 frames per second burst shooting, and vertical video. A vari-angle touchscreen, built-in Wi-Fi Bluetooth, and live streaming support enhance usability. Its user-friendly interface and compact design make it perfect for travel, social media, and casual photography. The Canon R5 Mark II is a cutting-edge full-frame mirrorless camera tailored for professionals, featuring a 45-megapixel back-illuminated stacked CMOS sensor for superior image quality and low-light performance. Its DigicX processor with an accelerator chip enhances speed and autofocus precision. The camera supports 8K RAW video at 60p, 4K at 120p, and Canon Log for advanced color grading. With 100% autofocus coverage, eye-control autofocus, and up to 30 frames per second shooting, it excels in fast action capture. Additional features include 5-axis in-body image stabilization, dual card slots, a 5.76 million dots OLED electronic viewfinder, a vari-angle touchscreen, and Wi-Fi 6E, making it a powerhouse for photographers and filmmakers. The Canon R100 is a compact and lightweight entry-level APS-C mirrorless camera, ideal for beginners transitioning from smartphones. It features a 2.36 million dots OLED electronic viewfinder, a 24.1 megapixel sensor, and DigicX processor, delivering good image quality and responsive performance. Dual-pixel CMOS autofocus with eye and face detection ensures sharp focus, while 6.5 frames per second continuous shooting captures action moments. It supports 4K video and Full HD 60p. The camera includes a fixed 3-inch LCD, a built-in electronic viewfinder, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and vertical video support. With an intuitive interface and creative assist modes, the Canon R100 is perfect for casual photographers and content creators.